So a brand new streaming application giving you access to news channels, sports channels, entertainment, lifestyle, all of this great content that you can enjoy on your Amazon devices, your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, as well as your Android TV devices. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't need any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It doesn't need any kind of VPN, and so far I've not seen any adverts. So all of this content across all of your devices, absolutely free and even ad free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here we can see the latest version of this application available directly on the Google Play Store and the Amazon App Store. We can see it was updated on the 13th of September, so pretty hot off the press. And with this latest version, they've added in more free live TV channels, more VOD content, and really just giving the application lots more free content that you can enjoy across all of your devices. And as you guys know, I'm based in the UK and I'm not using any kind of VPN to access this content. Let's open up the application. Now if I just go to the left and just go into settings, here we can just see, just to confirm that it is a fully official licensed application. It's an entertainment and engagement platform offering all that different content, including drama, sports, family, and even PPV, your pay-per-view events are also included in this. And it's available for your iOS devices, Android, even websites. So you can actually go to a web page for this without installing any application, and you can then access the content again without requiring any registration. Now if I go down into home, here we can see some of the popular content. At the top here we've got FTF Sports, and you also have Boxing TV. Let's try the first one. Okay, so we can see this is an award-winning network delivering world-class international and domestic sports to fans across the globe. So if I click on watch now, and I'm hoping we shouldn't see any adverts, and we are straight in there, and we can see some motorsports in progress. That's working great, and that really is a fantastic HD picture. And that really is one of the main benefits of these official applications is, firstly, the content is typically in high definition, but also because it's official, you'll never really see any kind of buffering or lag because they have the bandwidth and infrastructure, so we can enjoy this content buffer free. Let's go back. Then you've got Baseball Network. You've got some different sports channels here. You've got Billiards TV, Fight TV Plus. So a handful of sports channels. Let's try this Fight TV Plus. Click on watch now, and in a couple of seconds, again without seeing any adverts, we are now looking at this boxing event. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Then you've got some news channels. So Neighborhood TV, you've got the Investor Network. So only a handful of news channels. Here, for example, we can now see a fully working program guide, so we know exactly what's on this channel, what's coming up next. Here, for example, on the Kung Fu Movies channel, we can see we have Kung Fu Dragon. Let's click on that. Click on watch now. And in a couple of seconds, we should be taken straight into that broadcast. And it's done exactly that. And that's working great. Let's back out of that. So you can see, guys, lots of different channels, different categories, different genres. We've got AB Flicks, we've got Black Cinema, we've got Mind Twisters, we've got Thrillers and Chillers, lots of different sports channels. Then you have entertainment, so you've got a couple of different things in here. Actually, to be fair, we can see most of these categories don't really have many channels. I'll say there's about 10 or 15 channels so far I've seen in the sports section, the news section, and also entertainment. Then you have lifestyle, you have travel and food. I mean, who doesn't like travel and food? So let's try that one. Just to show you again that even though we seem to have a fairly limited range of channels, at least everything we click on in here, it's working straight away. That's looking good. Let's back out of that. So some lifestyle channels there. Then you got some general TV channels. So overall guys, I really am impressed with this new update of Watch Dingo. As you've seen today, the application does have lots of varied content, including that fully working program guide. And during all of my testing, I've not seen any adverts with this application. It works great on the Amazon devices and Android TV. And if you are looking for another official application, I definitely think this one is worthwhile checking out. Now, for most of you, you should be able to find this application directly in your Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store. Just open that up, go to search, and you should be able to use your voice and say, Watch Dingo. Okay, that says Watch Dingo, but you can see it's come up, so that's what the application looks like. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your application store, I will include the latest version directly on my website. If you just head over to tdoctoruk.com using Downloader or TV Bro, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get the Watch Dingo application across all of your devices. And just before you go guys, if you are looking for a really special super fast VPN that will help you unlock all of your favorite streaming content, change your IP address, which will protect yourself online, right now there's a special offer where you can get a huge discount where you get that total protection for unlimited devices. So it doesn't matter if you have a few Fire Sticks or 10 Android TVs or 3 laptops, all of your devices can be protected with a single license. You can then change your IP address, you can access geo-locked content, and really just protect your privacy whilst using all of your devices. To get all of that with really fast speeds, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.